Good morning. And just when I get started, some more noise. I got a done plane taking off. Yes, I stay close to the airport, so that's my current situation right now. But since we all about pimping views and getting this information out here, like to say welcome to my channel to all the Ohanas, the girls, the guys, the aunties, the uncles, everybody for supporting Emoneyshoes channel. Now what I need for you to do is smash that subscribe button, get that notification bell ready for any time I drop a vid. Also get ready for who has the heat today. Got a big week 4 battle. Big Shot versus McFly KOF. Dubbing this maybe most slept on versus the hardest working man in shoetainment, sponsored by the Homie Money Run Clothing. I'll leave that description below. Do what you like, 20% off on your merchandise. You can follow him on IG, Money Run Clothing _ or moneyrun.clothing.com. I normally engrave it in the videos. And I know you got those Citroen 4s. I wish somebody would stop blowing their horn before I go flip their car over. You always get all this background noise from these jokers. But like I said, those Citroen 4s, we will see. Hard to gauge stuff on pictures that we found out in the past, right? Some shoes are doper in person when you get them jokers in hand. But enough about the Jordans. What we really want to talk about is this is Air Max month. So that's what we're going to talk about, and that's what we're going to get into, shall we? You got this Nike box. You got the Air Max 90/1. That's something different. Copped them for my favorite spot, foot action. Size 10.5. I just went half up. This is perfect. 10 would have been my true size. Too tight. Fisher colorway, white, metallic, gold, black. Suggested retail price $140 and things. And you open it up. I should just say, oh. I'm gonna open the box up. Then you got your stamper ramp. Receipt on deck. Look at that discount there. $59. Got them for $62. And these joints, crispy paper. Put this in there, make it all nice like so. Y'all always know I like to do the left shoot. Smack that task right on the box. Let us get this little 5 seconds of fame. And then we're gonna just jump right into it, you dig? Simple but dope, I think, in my opinion. You got black, gold, Nike. You got your Poppy Pop here. This color here is for all of you. I guess you could pull out the Missouri Tigers, Pittsburgh Steelers. Probably mostly like for your A Alpha Phi Alpha people from the home state 205. You definitely can pull it off if you're Hornet, Alabama State Hornet fan. On this toe ball, they got a little soft cushy cush. The leather is pretty good. Black. Got the white laces. What do you guys think? Should I switch them off or look for some laces with some gold speckles? We'll see. Or should I leave it plain Jane? On the tongue, you got that Nike with that trademark R. You got your swoosh and you got your Air Max. I mean, look at that. Just push. Look at that. I mean, just soft to touch. Woo. Make you want to slap ya. Look at that. Gold swoosh. Underneath, you got your air unit. I think it looks like it's in gold. Now, if you back that ass up, right there, you see you got your engraved Nike Air. I always like it when a shoe has an engraved. It just gives that high, classy look. That may be a kind of a dumb way to look at it, but hey, it's my review. Then you got here on your medial side. I mean, the stitching is on here. You don't got stuff all poking out and glue stains all over the place like some kid in kindergarten just put together the shoe. Okay, then you got, I mean, look at that. Just nice and soft. The stitching here on the check. Very dope. But I guess kind of hard to mess this shoe up. You can see craftsmanship in inside. You got the Nike Air in gold. So swing that back around. On a litty lit meter or dopey dope meter, plain but solid shoe, I give it a 4.25 out of 5. 4.25 out of 5. You let me know what you think about this. Would you cop this shoe for that price? Or would you do a no look, behind the back, half court pass on this shoe? Like I said, don't forget to tune in tonight for the battle, 9 p.m. Eastern. Thanks for all the love and support. Spread the word. We're going to move this channel up to 1,600 peeps. Keep that notification bell ready for those. I might always try to do surprise giveaways. Thank you for the love and support. Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.